Stock markets. So when we talk of risk, the next thing that comes up is stock market. How many people invest in the stock market? Oh, very few. That's it. None of the others invest in the stock markets. What about mutual funds, equity mutual funds? Okay, some more. Okay, so what is what is a safe or a guaranteed way to make money in the stock markets?
Whenever you're in the stock market, your money is always at risk. There's no such thing called safety in the stock
There
market.
is a guaranteed way. I'm saying there is a guaranteed way.
Long-term
Do you know it?
Long-term
Long-term investments. What do you mean by long-term?
more than about 10 years or more.
About 10 years or more. Okay? You are saying if I invest and keep it for 10 years, it will give me good returns. Okay? That is one. Does history support you? Do you have data that tells you that?
Yes, I
You
have.
have data, but you have read it supports. It is there.
Sorry?
I have read that.
You have read that it
You
is.
have data.
You have data that supports you. That if you keep money for how many years?
At least 15 years.
At least 15 years. Okay. Then it will give you guaranteed returns. Okay. Anybody else has a guaranteed way of making money on the stock markets?
Past performance is not a criteria for investing in stocks, because Warren Buffett himself has said that if past performance would have been a criteria for investing in stocks, the richest people would be librarians.
Okay. That's a good one. That's a lovely one. So past performance is not a criteria for the future. Okay. But before that, first let us find out, is there a past? So one guaranteed way, and that I am sure everybody agrees, of making money. Yes.
Follow the fundamentals of company.
That's a very motherhood statement. What do you mean follow the fundamentals of a company?
मतलब कंपनी का
So आप बता दीजिए, इस कंपनी में करूंगा तो पक्का पैसा बनेगा, ऐसा है कुछ? ऐसा रूल है आपके पास?
ऐसा नहीं रूल।
फिर तो जनरल प्रिंसिपल
Just
होगा।
when there are recession times and sell when the
हाँ, ये गारंटीड है। सस्ता खरीदो, महंगा बेचो, राइट? गारंटीड है?
No.
हाँ? नहीं, क्यों?
Any company closes down anytime, we are back to zero. We are to zero.
Okay.
How do you know that is the higher point?
Absolutely. ये सस्ता खरीदो, महंगा बेचो, ये अगर पता होता तो principle is perfect, applicability is impossible. Okay. So what is the only other way? History, past history, right? And past history में there is one guaranteed way, guaranteed नहीं है. Past history has proven that there is one way which has always made money consistently over a long period of time. Okay. So we are going to quickly look at what is that method and why people don't follow it. Yeah. So here is investor 1 who starts a SIP. This is called a systematic investment plan. Every month you put in the same amount of money. Okay. So this is a guy who's putting in 10,000 rupees every month in Nifty. Everybody knows what the Nifty is. We say no, Nifty went up, Nifty went down. So he is investing in the Nifty. Started in Jan 95, 10,000, Feb 95, 10,000 and so on. March, April, May, June, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So essentially for 10 years he invested 10,000 rupees every month, which is therefore he invested 12 lakhs. He started in Jan 95, got 22 lakh 50,000 back. Okay, which is a return of 12.08%. Okay, and ended in Jan 2005. The second investor started in Feb 95. 1 month later she started, right? She will end in Feb of 2005. She will also do 120 installments of 10,000 rupees, which means her investment is going to be same, 12 lakhs. She ends up at 22 lakhs, less than investor 1. Her return is 11.53%. Started, ended in Jan of 2005. Second investor started in Feb 95, ended in Feb of 2005. Third investor, March 95, ended in March of 2005. She gets a return 22 lakhs, 11.79. The difference 11.69. The difference is because of rounding off. Okay, and so on. Okay. So the investor 1, Jan 95 to Jan 2005, 12 lakhs became 22 lakh 50,000, a return of 12.08%. 22 lakhs, 11.53%. Investor 3, 12 lakhs, March of 95 to March of 2005, 22 lakhs, 11.69. The difference is because of rounding off of this. Till you have the 107th investor, who started in October of 2003, ended in October of 2013, that's just 3 months ago. His 12 lakhs became 20 lakhs, or a return of 9.82%. In between you had a Mr. Maximum who started in Jan of 98, ended in Jan of 08. His 12 lakhs became 51 lakhs, or a return of 27.18%. In this entire series, the Mr. Minimum started in March of 99 and ended in March of 09, 2%. On an average, the 12 lakhs became 30 lakhs, or a return of 17%. That's the average. Minimum 9, maximum 27. Average of 70. Is that good or is that not good? Right? So, starting all the way back from Jan 95, if you didn't look at the market has gone through upheavals, right? You're talking of a 18-year period. In the 18-year period, the market has gone like this at least 4 times. At least 4 times. Major ones. I am not talking of the daily ones. Right? As long as you didn't look at it, you just blindly put 10,000 rupees in the Nifty every month. The absolute minimum return you would have made at any point of time was 9% and post-tax. This 9% is different from the 9% on FD and across the periods. Right? And on an average you made 17%. Of course, if you are lucky, you make much higher percentage. Nifty.